Hi, I'm Suresh here. I'm an entrepreneur living in Tirupur, Tamil Nadu. And first of all, I really thanks Rupa for this wonderful course. And this is really an eye opener for me. And since we are living in this online era, and it is very highly important to know what are the businesses we can do it in online. And she explains it very well. And the two businesses, whatever she tells in this course, is really wonderful, and I have learned many golden nuggets in this course. So I highly recommend any entrepreneurs or anyone who has an idea and who wants to do it in business in an online, and it will be really really helpful for us. And of course, whatever the knowledge you have, it doesn't make any sense until you take action. So she clearly explains that as well. So it is not like quickly earn more money, though it's not a course like that. But you have to invest your time and you have to invest your money, and then you will reap the benefit out of it. So it's really a wonderful course, and thank you, Rupa, once again.